back, guys. Today we're gonna work on the Model A. Today we're gonna get rid of this area right here. I don't even know what to call, but I'm not a fan of the look, so we're gonna make it all smooth. But yeah, let's get to it. I scored these headlight mounts at the Goodguys Swap Meet last week for 40 bucks. Gotta love swap meets. Let's put them on. Alright, got the new headlight mount on. Looks a lot better. I got these hubcap adapters from Wheelsmith. Gonna put them on the wheel. Alright, here's the current status of the Model A. Got these headlight mounts at the Goodguys Swap Meet for 40 bucks. They look a lot better than the one I modified. And then for the wheels, I threw on the hubcap adapter from Wheelsmith. And then I put on this V8 hubcap. I only got one of it just to see how it looked, and I gotta find a clean set for the rest of it. I really like the look. And then a big change is this section right here. I didn't like how it looked before, so modified it a little bit. Gonna make it sit flush. Other than that, no other progress. But happy with the car so far. Couple small things a day. All right, hubcap just arrived. Nice and shiny. Official licensed product. All right, this is the old one that I have. This is the new one. All right, here's the current status of the car. Got the new hubcaps on. Got these on eBay for about $100 for the set. It's crazy how much of a difference small details make. In the future, I'm going to be powder coating the wheels gloss black. This section here is going to be gloss black. Also, the hubcap adapter is going to be black as well. This is going to be shiny. Next on the list, I need to figure out what radiator to run. That way I can chop the grill. And then in the future, I'm going to be replacing this intake manifold. That way I can run triple carbs. I like the way they look. And then I got to buy the windshield post and then work on the windshield frame. A lot to do. And then for headers, I'm gonna be running leg style headers. Come out here and then flare out. But yeah, slow progress. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys next time.